Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, February 28th. Time is 8:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the Bears are running this morning. So we're pushing down. The Prince is, it's just kind of a bear day. So we got into a small pullback in this area here. But I still think we got a little more room to work down. The dollar is oh, it was going up, going down now. So, all right, here's my thought process. We are looking at this low in this area here, right around 48. That's a big range, 34 to 48. So I need to figure out to tighten that one. So I'm thinking of a possible reversal around this area, and that is based off of these prints right here. So we got 1,000 level prints at 68 and 900 at 67. So not quite making a cluster that I like, but it's getting there. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this level right here at 68. Actually, go ahead and draw my horizontal line there. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on that level, and this right here looks to be a cluster given the context of everything that has been going on here. 79, 69, 59. Okay, but it's right there on the threshold right now, so I'm still not interested in playing this long just yet anyway. I like my levels way down there, so we'll see if we can push on down that way and go with it from there. Where we at on the... All right, 43 ticks on CL. Open was 54.04. We're now at 53.61, and the dollar is down a little bit over 10 cents. Okay, so at this point, just watching, seeing where the footprint takes off, and I'm gonna see if I can utilize these numbers right here and look for possible reversal coming up in the next half hour or so. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna watch, and I'll be back shortly. See you in a bit. Okay, guys, for whatever reason, I'm really liking this area, so I'm just gonna give this one a shot here. Long 10 contracts, 53.60. Stop is sitting at 57 because that will actually break the threshold. So 3-tick stop, and I'll look to pull half off at 53.70 at this moment. So here's what I'm looking at this cluster, and like I said, it's not a strong one, but it is meeting every criteria that I like for the 9 to 19 area there, and it got down here right off the 19, and it just keeps abruptly stopping. So it's done that twice so far. So I'm going to see if we're going to be pushing up from this point, even if it's just a half off break even. I think this is well worth it with only a 3-tick stop on this one as well. So, all right, I'm going to pause and watch, and we'll see what happens. So, still like my original area, but this is just a shot because it keeps getting hung up here. And then there's also, you have some aggressive seller buyers in, see it right here. Actually, I need to, on this one right here, 455. This bar back here. So, all right, we're going to watch and see what happens. All right, be back shortly. Okay, stop that on that one, which is fine. Just something I saw, took a chance at it, but real tight stop anyway. So, all right, going back to re-engage, we got some new prints going on here at 59, and that will line up perfectly inside this I zone. But I got to go back to the original prints and see if those, yeah, I mean, they're still valid right now, but right here, 68. Okay. Is that right? 68 or, nope, 67. 58. Oh no, it's not valid. Okay, that was actually broken. So we'll go to the next set of prints from here, and they just popped up actually right here. These 1,000 prints. So looking like 5360 is going to be the threshold. Cluster. 60, 50, 51, down to 41. What do we have here? 41. Inside of an I zone, so it's approaching the low back on the 22nd. And the low then was 35. Okay, looking to get down in this area, and then hopefully we can make a decision at this point. So, all right, I'm gonna watch and kind of keep an eye on around the 53.40 level, or 53.40 price rather. All right, be back shortly. Big level building up right here, huge level. All right, I think. Yeah, let's see, what is this? 48 level, 50. See what's happening over here. That is, we're in the institutional zone now. So, yeah, I think we're going to be looking to play real quick. All right, let me watch for just a moment, and I'll let you know where I get in at. All right, be back shortly. Okay, guys, seeing some absorption around the 44-45 level. Waiting to see some aggressive buyers come in, and then we will probably look to pop it long at this point. So, big old prints. This is a huge area right here, and rightly so, because it is it's testing the low from last week. All right, be back shortly. All right, here we go. Hopped it long. 10 contracts, 53.44. Look to pull half off at 54, 53.54, and stop is sitting at 34 right now. So I think we're in an okay area. Based off that momentum push down, watch the absorption here, and hopefully we start heading north from this point. All right, be back shortly. Okay, moving my stop up to 39, 5-tick stop, so it's not pushing up as quick as I like, so wanted to use some risk management here. I like the aggressive sellers coming in. They're absorbing this level. I mean, the aggressive buyers, they're really absorbing this level, so still looking for that turnaround and just keep pushing up at this point. So big fight right in this area between the bulls and the bears. So this should have been a last momentum push down for a retail flush, trapping everybody on this side right here. Should be. So this level that I got the horizontal line on, 68, 58, 48. That one was actually breached. So that level does not hold much anymore, but we got these prints right here. So after that one was breached, you got to go to your next 1,000 prints, because that's kind of the levels that we're looking at right now when you run into this stuff here. Okay, and this one is still valid right here, starting at 68 or 60, 50, not 60, 59, 59, 49, 39. So right there on the touch of 19 rather. So hence that's why my stop is sitting at 39. Because if that one hits, it becomes invalid. All right, guys. I'm gonna watch and see if we can get on up out this trade. Be back shortly. Sellers really absorbing this area, so I went ahead and pulled half off of 53 for 9 ticks, and I'm going to leave my stop at 39 for the moment. You can see this level is strong. Buyers seem to absorb all of this. Lines up perfectly on the I zone. This level is actually the bottom of, let's see here, got this long wick right here, so this was a bottom of a level, and this is this wick right here. This is all retail flushing going on pretty much below these clusters here. So 50 and below is all retail flushing. So it should pop up from this point as it's starting to do now. But risk management had me pull that off because I've seen these aggressive sellers coming in. And I'm going to hold at 39 until we get more comfortable up in this area if we push up there. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, nice break up. Pulled one off at 64 for 20 ticks. So long 4 contracts, 53.44, and we'll start the scaling out process at this point. Let me see here. Yep. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even as well at 44. So, all right, guys, be back shortly. All right, so we just still kind of putting along, and big old pullback, a lot bigger than I thought. So, still in this trade. Just happened to got a good feel on this one, suppose. So, one tick would have stopped me out, but I'm still in. So, long 4 contracts, 53.44. So, I don't know if it's going to come back and test the 40 level again or not. But we'll see. If it does, chance or I may just actually get right back into this trade, just depending on absorption and momentum going into it. So we shall see. But at this moment, not much I can do except just wait. Dollar is falling, so theoretically this should start going back up again. And this is a really strong level. CL is deeply oversold as well. So, quite sure the turnaround is going to be coming. How far up? Hard to say. We are still 56 ticks on the short end. So, I mean, theoretically, if this is a bearish day, which is what it looks like overall, it has a possibility of getting all the way down to 53.23, which is still in another eye zone from earlier last week into 2 weeks ago. I forget when that one was, but this gray line right here. So, but the footprint is telling me this is some type of reversal, so we're going to go with that in there, hopefully. And if that is the case, hope to at least get back up into the value area lower around 54.10 or so. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm just kind of watching on the sideline and sporadically peeking in at it. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. I tell you, man, this is a hard work here. Fooled around in this trade, just channeled for a long time. Finally took me out, broke the 40. So now at this point, I am just going to watch. And this may only be my only trade of the day at this point here. So we shall see. But definitely a bearish day. Yeah, I tried to go counter trend on it. And now the next level we are possibly looking at is around 22.23. So I will re-gauge that and see if we got something to go long on. If not, then I'm going to call it a wrap with my 20 ticks. And just almost a scratch day because of that first loss. So we shall see. All right, guys, I'm going to watch and I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, we've been waiting and, getting a little ADD-ish. So anyway, I'm long 10 contracts, 53.22 right here on the 1 deviation line. Stop is sitting at 12 and I am looking to pull half off at 32, 53.32. So, and we'll see if we can, catch a reversal, because the bears is just strong, and I hate to jump in front of momentum, so jump in front of the falling knife, or catch the falling knife rather. But this is the last trade, regardless of what happens, and we'll see what we can go on this one here. So, all right, guys, long 10 contract, 53.22. Look to pull half off at 32. All right, be back shortly. All right, really close. Gonna move my stop up to 17 at this point here, and I am just gonna go ahead and pull this off right now. All right, we got it off at 28. 5 contracts off at 28 for 6 ticks. Going to move my stop to break even because I'm actually really tired of trading right now, and we're going to let this run, see what happens. So, all right, I'm going to watch, but not actively watch. So I will come back and wrap this video up, and we'll see if we can get just above scratch. So we're actually at a scratch day today so far, give or take a few $100, but see if we can go ahead and make a few dollars on this one anyway. So, all right, guys, I'll be back, and we'll see where we end up at. All right, guys, that is a wrap. So come back, and stop was hit at break even. So pretty much scratch day today, no big deal. So, at least I didn't give a ton of money to the Bears today. So I don't think I'll be trading tomorrow. I have garden class and stuff that I need to go do in the morning. So I'll probably come back and do the replay sometime in that afternoon, though. But so I will see you guys on Thursday, and hopefully we can get this ball rolling again. All right, have a good one.